Hi guys, today we'll show you how to convert a horizontal video into a vertical video in Capcut. This is especially useful when creating videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. First, unlock your phone and open the Capcut app. Tap the plus icon to start a new project. Your gallery will open automatically. Select the horizontal video you want to convert, then tap Add in the bottom right corner. Your video will be imported into the project. Once your video is imported, swipe through the editing options at the bottom until you find aspect ratio. Tap it to view the available ratios. Select 9:16, which is the standard vertical format for platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Your project will now switch to a vertical layout. Go back to the editing tools, swipe through the options, and tap Background. You'll see different background options for the empty space around your horizontal video. Tap Blur, then select the first Blur background option. This will fill the empty space while keeping the original video visible. After selecting the blur effect, tap the check mark in the bottom right corner to apply it. Tap your main video. Then use 2 fingers to pinch and zoom the video until it's positioned the way you want, inside the vertical frame. And that's how you can easily convert a horizontal video into a vertical video in Capcut. With the 9:16 ratio and a blurred background, your video will fit perfectly into a vertical format. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple tutorials.